Day 12, and this is our banana flower that we've been watching on a daily basis. This is the upper first hand, and can you see it has already, the covering leaf has already fallen down by itself. You can see it's down there, and the banana hand is here. It has been exposed, and these banana fingers, they are quite long. I want to, you see, they're like the length of my, almost the length of my palm, and this is how it looks like on day 12. We have the first hand fully exposed, and then we have another hand also, actually two. There is this one on this side which is already withering and is already revealed several of the banana fingers, and on the other side the same. So we're going to continue like that on our daily watch, and we're going to observe what happens to the whole flower up to down. With this one we might get between 8 to 11 hands on it, because the size is just very big. So that is it for today on the 12th day. Enjoy yourself, subscribe to my channel, and share it to all the food and plant lovers. Have a good day, my friends.